Chameleon Sling Bag, setup and specs. Got that coming up next. Bill from Ham Radio Basics here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. One of my favorite antenna systems out there is the Chameleon MPAS 2.0. It is an exceptional system, it is very versatile, and it gives you a number of options. One of the downfalls, though, of the Chameleon MPAS 2.0 was not the antenna system itself, but the bag that it came in. The bag would not fit all of the components in there. What did Chameleon do? They finally listened and they came out with a sling bag. Let's go ahead and take a look at the specs for the sling bag, and then we'll take a look at the setup. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the specs for the Chameleon Sling Bag. There are two large front pouch with buckle adjustments, one Chameleon antenna Velcro patch, double layer water resistant, single shoulder strap with buckle adjustment, interior straps, side handle, YKK zippers for side opening, two large front pouches with buckle adjustment, molly straps. It weighs 4.5 pounds. The material is 9,000 Oxford cloth. The color is tan, and the dimensions are 30 by 16. Okay, we looked at the specs. Let's go ahead and take a look at the setup. Okay, here's everything in the Chameleon MPAS 2.0 kit, including the Chameleon Extension 2.0 and the Chameleon Whip. Now, the big problem was, as you'll be able to see right here, getting the Chameleon Extension 2.0 in the bag the Chameleon initially sent. And you can see it does not fit. And the only way to fit this is to go ahead and attach it here, as I demonstrate, to the sides of the bag that it originally came with. Okay, we're going to take a quick look at the bag here. The inner compartment has two large pouches. And you can see there are two pouches on the top of the bag. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put everything in the bag here from the Chameleon MPAS 2.0. We'll get the Chameleon Extension 2.0, and we're going to try it here. Then I think we're going to go ahead and unloosen the Velcro straps. And put it in here. Again, this is a trial and error process to get the best fit for the bag. There's the mill whip extension. We're just going to put that there for the time being. And here's the spike. We'll put this in the other compartment as well. Now let's go ahead and adjust the mill extension 2.0 and fit it in the slots and the ends of the bag right here. Okay, that's a much better fit. And we'll go ahead and put the spike over here. I think that'll be a better fit. Now, let's go ahead and take the one set of wire antennas and get it in to the bag here. Take the other set of wires and the Chameleon Hybrid Micro and put it in this pouch here. As you can see, I have plastic bags around everything to protect them. Okay, now we've got the pouches taken care of. Let's go ahead and get that 50-foot of coax in the other compartment. I'm going to go ahead and move the mill whip and put that in with the extension 2.0. Strap that in so it's good and secure. And in the other compartment with the strap, I'm going to go ahead and put the 50-foot of coax. There, that'll fit just nicely. Let's go ahead and get this zipped up. And when you do this for the first time, it's going to fight you a little bit, but go ahead and get the straps attached. And the carry handle. And there's the Chameleon Sling Bag. Pouches. And then the other carry strap on the bottom. It's a Chameleon Sling Bag from Chameleon. Question of the day. What did you think of the Chameleon Sling Bag? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to make a QSO. 7 threes, everybody.